And, I hear these conservatives saying, well, Laken Riley didn't get due process. Okay. So you're saying the U.S. government should give people the same level of treatment as a criminal? That we should just be murderers and criminals and not follow any laws because criminals don't follow them? That makes no sense. Timothy McVeigh got a trial. He got due process. Okay? Even the bombers of the World Trade Center in 93 got hearings and got trials. This country is founded on the rule of law and due process. That constitutional guarantee of due process applies to all persons, not all legal residents, not all U.S. citizens, all persons. So even if somebody did overstay their visa and is here illegally, or they even crossed the border illegally, they have a right to a hearing and for the government to have to prove their allegations. We don't allow the government to just make accusations and then we just follow it. And if you're a conservative, this should make your blood boil. You're for limited government. The idea of limiting government is to limit it from being able to take away an individual's liberty and life with no process. What are we doing? This is outrageous. And I'm not standing up for criminals. I'm standing up for the Constitution. The U.S. Constitution says all persons get due process. There's no exception. Okay? There's no exception to due process. You get due process. The government has to prove what it's alleging. That's it. All right? I will die on this hill. I don't care how unpopular of ground it is to be defending immigrants. I'm sorry. This is a country built on immigrants. And, we have due process. And if we don't, then what's to stop the government from shipping me to El Salvador? They could do that, right? If they don't owe me due process, I can yell and scream that I'm a U.S. citizen all I want, but if I'm not allowed to bring my